Hi, hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how we can add Google View, Google Map View, or you can say Street View in order to see that how the property looks like, right? So for that, what we have to do, I am just going to follow my one of the blog, Podio Property Map View, and in here I have clearly mentioned that what all steps you have to follow, right? So now if you jump to this area, approach here, so here you will see that you first have to add a calculation field in the app where you want to show that map. So what I have to do here is I will go to one of my apps. So seller leads is the app. I'll click on modify template, and next is to add a map view, you first have to add a new calculation field in the app. So what I'll do, I'll just use one of the calculation field here. Now next is I have to use this code and add the below code in that field. So I'll just copy this code from here and paste in that calculation field. Here you will see that this property address is the dynamic field in which I am filling the property value. So what I'll do, I'll just look for my field name where I am writing down my property. So in my case, that is the same property address, right? So now we have added the property address dynamic and we have added the formula. What you have to do is just click on done. Because I have already added this field in my app here, so I'm not gonna save it obviously, but I can show you that how it looks like once you save it. So we have added the field. Now it is looking like this, and you just have to click on the save button and just refresh the page, and there you will see the icon like this, right? So street view, but it is not showing you the exact map. So I know many of you must have been facing this problem that the image is not showing, the property image is not showing there anymore. So the reason here is to debug this, that why you are not able to see those images. You have to debug your web page. So you just have to right click on the browser and click on inspect. Once you do that, go to the console side. Here you will see a bunch of errors. So one of the error must be related to the Google API key. Let me refresh the page again. Keep this console bar open and just refresh the page again. Yeah, here you can see that this map Google API key, we have some error related to the Google Map API key. And now to exactly know what the error is, what you have to do is just right click on this link and open in a new tab. So here you can clearly see what the exact problem is. The Google Map Perform server rejected your request because we have not enabled the billing in our Google project, and because the Google, what exactly this error means is Google have made their Maps API key paid. So that's why we have to buy a API key from their map subscription, and once we have that API key, we can use it in our calculation field, and then we can show our property address in the field. So just because we don't have a paid API key, we are not able to show that street view here. Once we buy the API key from Google Map APIs, and we have the API key, what you have to do is just get that API key and click on this modify button and go to the field where you have added, like in my case it is here, and update that API key with this, right? So after this key we have the equal to sign, and then we have the API key. This API key is not working because it was the Google APIs were free before, but now they are not free anymore. So that's why you have to buy the API key, and this API key is not working anymore. So you have to buy your own just erase this API key from here and put it to your API key, right? Once you do that, and once you click on this done button, you will start seeing all those property address in this field. So this is how you can set up your street view or property view in the Podio app. So if in case you have any issues with implementing this field, you can always approach me or just drop a comment down below, and I would be really happy to assist you with the same. Thank you so much.